This is our street, it's where we live. We love to play together. Just like you, you're just like us, and we'll be friends forever. We can be anything if we close our eyes and dream. We can play day after day, and the fun will never end. This is our street, it's where we live, so let's all play together and be best friends forever.
Sometimes a lot of things change all at once.
Are you ready to hear about our big changes? All change!
3 months have gone by, and it's the start of the summer holidays. We all wore our normal clothes to school today. We never wear uniform on the last day of term.
We say goodbye to Mr. Morris, our Year 1 teacher.
A lovely summer holiday, Topsy and Tim.
And here's our new teacher, Miss Percy.
Class in September, Topsy and Tim.
We will, Miss Percy. Oh, yes, Miss Percy.
Topsy and Tim, how are you two doing?
And look, one very big change in our family is Mummy. She's expecting a baby.
Now, who would like to start their summer holidays with puppy training?
Yes, me! Me! We're on holidays! Summer holidays! We love holidays!
Come on then, let's go!
When Grandma's lovely old dog Mossy died, Grandma was very sad for a long time.
But she knew Mossy would want her to get another dog one day. And so she did.
Last week, she adopted a little rescue puppy called Pippa.
And it's Pippa's first ever puppy training class today.
I helped Grandma to train Pippa to sit.
Good. And take the lead off.
Then I helped Grandma to train Pippa to come.
Hand down lower.
You have to call her in a clear, happy voice.
There, well done. Gently, that's it. Oh, lovely. On the floor. There we go. And stroke her on the chest.
Later in the park,
Oh, hold on, Topsy and Tim. Grandma needs to collect Pippa's poop in a bag and then put it in the bin, OK?
can we go over to the playground, please, Mummy, while Grandma does that?
Yes, of course you can. You take Pippa. Just stay where I can see you both, OK?
OK, we will.
All right.
Take care of Pippa.
We will.
Thank you, Tim. Come on, Pippa. Come on.
Yes, running's fun.
Come on. Oh, look at Tony.
When we get to the playground, we see Tony Welch on a swing.
And his dad with little Jack. Oh, the sign says no dogs allowed.
Oh.
I know. I'll take Pippa around there, and then you go into the play park, and I'll show Tony Pippa.
Brilliant idea.
Bye.
See you in a minute. Hiya, Tony.
Hello, Tim.
Hi. We're looking after our grandma's puppy.
Hi, Tony. Come and say hello to Pippa.
Hi, Pippa. Look how high I can swing. Whoa, that's high. I'm going to catch you.
Tim, watch out. I'll get you.
Tim, stop. Don't play near a moving swing. Tony, slow down, please.
What's going on, everyone?
Hi, Joy. Nothing to worry about. Just a bit of over-enthusiastic swinging and jumping.
Tim, you know you need to be careful around the swings.
Sorry, Mummy.
OK.
Where's Pippa?
Oh, she's over there with Topsy.
Hi, Tony.
Topsy, where's Pippa? I don't know. She must have run away while I was watching Tony on the swing. Pippa! So sorry, Grandma. Oh, no.
Now, listen, let's not panic, Topsy and Tim. She can't have gone far.
I know. Do you have some puppy treats to get her back?
That's just what I was thinking.
Pippa?
Oh, no, look, they've all gone.
No.
Oh, but I remember Mossy running off when she was a puppy, when she was first rehomed with me. And she came back when I called her. So, come on, let's call Pippa.
Pippa!
I know, Topsy Tim and Tony. Why don't you climb up that blue climbing frame and see if you can see Pippa from up there? Go on, Topsy. Good girl.
I'll go round here. Okay, I'll go.
Be careful.
We will.
Pippa!
This is all my fault for letting her go. Grandma! Mummy! We can't see her!
Oh, I've got an idea. I could use my glasses. I can see for miles.
Hey. Great!
Can you see her yet, guys?
No.
Oh, Pippa!
Pippa! Pippa! Pippa! Come out, Pippa!
Where is she? Oh, my mum's having a new baby, just like your mum.
Really?
Wow. So I'm going to have to share my bedroom with little Jack, starting tonight. Oh, we're so lucky. We love sharing a bedroom, didn't we, Topsy?
Yeah.
Topsy and Tim and Tony, come down. I've got an idea.
Okay. Grandma reminds us of something we learned at puppy training earlier.
Come on, Topsy. Right. Now, do you remember at the puppy training this morning what the instructor said? He said we had to use clear, happy voices to get Pippa to come to us. OK?
That's right. Do you remember Topsy and Tim?
Yeah.
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Right, so you have a go first, Tim, OK?
Pippa! Pippa! Pippa!
Oh, that was very good. OK, you have a turn. Go on, you'll go.
Pippa! Pippa!
Oh, that's good, Topsy.
Pippa!
Well, maybe she can't hear you. How about all three of you shout together? You two, Tony, nice and clear, OK?
Okay, ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1. Pippa! 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 Quick! Mummy! Pippa! Pippa, come on! Pippa!
Oh, there she is.
This is
Good girl.
Good girl.
Oh, well done.
Oh, yes. There we go. Where was she?
We really missed you, Pippa. Hi, Pippa. So pleased to see you.
She is. And she came back to us. I think her puppy training saved the day.
She came back to us just after we called for her.
She did.
I'm really sorry I didn't look after her properly, Grandma.
That's okay, Topsy and Tim. We've all got a lot to learn about how to look after her. But please, please listen to me. Listen to me. Never let her go again, will you?
No, we won't.
Good.
Right, I think we should quietly walk Pippa back to Grandma's house. I could do with a sit down and a cup of tea.
Good thinking.
Yes, Mummy.
Right, off we go.
Bye, Tony.
Bye.
After tea at Grandma's, we walk back to our house.
And Dad gets home from work. Look, it's Dad.
Hello, you three. It's the holidays. You can stay up late tonight, Topsy and Tim.
Oh, Dad, please can we watch a movie in our pyjamas?
Yes, later. I need your help first, gang.
Oh, what?
With this cot.
You got a cot for the new baby.
Yeah. Okay.
Dad's been given this second-hand cot by someone from his work.
Yeah.
Oh, that...
Thank you. This is fun, isn't it? Something new for the house.
So many things are changing at the moment, aren't they, Dad?
They are. You two are both growing up and heading into year 2.
Grandma's got a new puppy.
Yeah.
Oh, Mummy's having a baby.
Yes.
And Tony's mum's having a baby as well. Did you know that?
No, I didn't. How exciting. Oh, a new friend for your little baby brother.
Yeah!
Oh, Tony and little Jack, they're sharing a bedroom.
Oh, yeah, that's what Tony said.
Oh.
Starting from tonight.
Oh, well, actually, Topsy and Tim, there's something that we wanted to talk to you about.
What? What do you mean?
Well, Mummy and I would like it if you two could share a room again, please, so the baby can have his own room.
Would you mind, Topsy and Tim?
We'd love to, love to.
Well
course you can.
Like Tony Welch for Little Jack?
Yeah.
Yes. How keen are you? Thank you for giving up your bedroom for your new baby brother. And Topsy, thank you for sharing your bedroom with Tim.
That's okay, Dad.
Okay, pass it over here.
It's really heavy.
I know. There we go. Okay, and can you pass me the pillow and the duvet,
I'll get the
please?
pillow, Tim.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Well done, you three. Here are some drinks for all your hard work. Oh, wow. I love your curtains. One top-tastic curtain for Topsy and one twin-tastic curtain for Tim. Oh, they're lovely.
Mummy, when the new baby comes, will you and Dad still love Tim and me the same? As much as you do now?
You lovely girl.
And that's when Mummy and Dad said, of course we will, Topsy and Tim.
Of course we will, Topsy and Tim. And when your new baby brother comes, he will love you just as much as well.
There's plenty of love to go around for all our family and friends. Nothing will change that. Right, let's get more boxes.
Yeah, come on, get it all done.
And that's it, Dad. Was that?
There's nothing like you and me. Oh, 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 oh. You know there's nothing like you and me. Oh, 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 oh. Yeah, there's nothing like you and me.